Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the mobile data is not working on your Samsung Z Fold series devices unless you have sufficient balance megabyte on your device. But whenever you try to open up a website or try to do some work, right after you turn on your mobile data, but you see it doesn't really work at all. Well, that can be a really frustrating matter, but don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem almost immediately. Okay. Alright guys, now before you go ahead and do anything, there are a few work that you want to do on your device. It's simple. Just simply go ahead and swipe down from the top and check whether you're using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time or not. Okay. Now if you see that both are actually turned on, all you gotta do is just go ahead and simply turn off your Wi-Fi and check whether it is working or not. At the same time, after doing this process, if you see you're still having the same problem, next things you have to turn off is your VPN. Okay. Now if you just go ahead and open up your setting and tap your connection, and if you tap more connection settings, then you will find your VPN. Now make sure to turn off your VPN from here, or you can delete it if you want, and then you can choose delete to delete your VPN to make your mobile network get back to work again. Now right afterward, go ahead and give it a check one more time to check whether your mobile data is working or not. Now afterward, if it's still not working, the next things you have to do, just once again go ahead and swipe down from the top and simply turn on your airplane mode and wait around 10 to 15 seconds. And after waiting 10 to 15 seconds later, simply turn it off and now check whether it is working or not. Now even after doing these three processes, literally if you're still having the same problem guys, next things you have to do, you have to just eject your SIM card and insert it again to check whether this process is gonna help you or not. Now these are the primary things that you guys need to do. Now afterward, if none of this help you out, now go ahead and open up your settings and then tap your connection, and once you're here guys, tap your mobile network, and here scroll down here and choose your network mode. Okay, now here as you guys can see, it's already set it to global. You have to make sure to set it global to make your mobile network back to work again. Now afterward guys, now simply tap back and check it again whether it is working or not. If it doesn't work, then lastly all you have to do is just go ahead and give it reset network setting on your Samsung Z Fold 2. Okay, now to do it, of course, you have to come to your setting once again and scroll down here and then tap your general management, scroll down here, tap reset and choose the reset network settings. Go ahead and tap in there, tap reset settings and tap reset, and then what will happen, your network will get resetted, and hopefully that will help you out to fix your mobile data is not working on your Samsung Z Fold 2. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video guys, and we'll talk to you all soon.